The ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner. This smart little bot has been generating quite a buzz for its impressive cleaning capabilities and all-in-one features. Let's dive deeper and see if it might be the perfect poolside companion for you. Cleaning prowess. Patented flow channel design. Boasting powerful 12 OPA suction and a high flow rate of 48 GPH, the ScavBots tackles even the most stubborn debris, from leaves and algae to dust and sand. Smart navigation. Its intelligent algorithms map your pool floor and plan efficient cleaning paths, ensuring no spot is missed. Obstacle avoidance. Equipped with sensors to navigate around obstacles like ladders and fountains, keeping your pool spotless without getting stuck. Multiple cleaning modes. Choose from quick cleaning, deep cleaning, or specific area targeting based on your needs. Beyond the basics. pH sensor and alerts. Monitor your pool's pH level in real time with built-in sensors and receive notifications if it goes out of balance. Remote control and app. Operate the ScavBots, schedule cleaning sessions, and monitor its performance conveniently from your smartphone. Wi-Fi connectivity. Integrate the ScavBots with your smart home system for even more control and automation options. Easy maintenance. Simple filter cleaning and minimal upkeep make the ScavBots a breeze to keep in top shape. Here are some of the pros and cons of the ScavBots. Pros. Effortless pool cleaning. Smart features and convenience. Water quality monitoring. Multiple cleaning options. Low maintenance. Cons. Price. Pool compatibility. App dependence. Wi-Fi availability. Overall impression. The ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner is a compelling option for pool owners seeking a powerful, smart, and convenient cleaning solution. Its efficient navigation, powerful suction, multiple cleaning modes, and smart features like pH monitoring and app control make it an ideal choice for those who prioritize effortless pool maintenance and water quality monitoring. However, the price tag, pool compatibility considerations, app dependence, and Wi-Fi requirement are factors to weigh before making your decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.